First time on Chainsaw Ridge.
It's such a hard place to start.
I know, it's brutal.
Alright.
All right, now we can ride a bike. I gotta remember where to go. Such good traction. It's spectacular.
Walk it.
Yeah, no rush.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're not hitting it in the right spot. It's like there's no warm up. That's the challenge here.
Yeah, yeah.
So you're freaking in double black immediately. Oh, you bastard. Oh, that was tricky. I was on my front back wheel almost. Yeah. Whoa, that was a balance move, man. It's a nice roll. Nice.
Good.
There, you got one out of the way.
Yeah, really. That's the first.
That's the first, yeah. Yeah, it's a little bit of yeehaw right now. Here comes some off-camber rocks.
Okay.
It rolls really nice. Excellent job, excellent. I thought best just don't say anything. You did.
Yeah,
that was fantastic. You hit a little further left than I would have gone, but you did it. Okay. How's the heart? It's proper double.
It's exciting.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ah, shit. Missed the corner. Yeah.
And then it's all over.
Nice. Let it roll, get on your bike. Nice.
Yeah. It's good.
Try to get on the pedals quick, because you got way more control of the bike with both feet on the pedals.
Yeah, I know. I couldn't get my foot in.
I know. I did too. I had the same problem. I'm getting really good. You just, if you can't put your foot on it, push your heel down. That'll keep you on the pedal better.
Yeah.
Nice. Sweet, eh?
Yeah, really good.
Oh, that's tough. Stay to the left of the rock down here. Oh, okay, right. The other left. Do you still like me?
I do. I like this stuff. I wish I could ride fearlessly, you know.
Well,
I
this,
make everything, but
you know, this is a harder.
it's okay.
This is the hardest I've seen it. Nice. Good. It's a nice roll. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Isn't the moss neat?
Really nicely.
Finale, the finale of Chainsaw Ridge. Let go, let go. Let go of your brakes. There you go. Nailed it. Look at the line you picked. It was perfection. Through the crack, through the crack. You couldn't have got it better. Just keep that up, huh? On everything, I want perfection now.
Right.
And this is a little simple roll. I think guys are rolling over here too. And you can see the trail going that way. You can do that if you like. There's a roll over here too. It's a big, huge rock roll. But I'm not doing it.
Big, huge is okay.
Yeah, leave it to the young guys who don't have to worry. Owning it. All right. Yeah. Nicely done. I could see the grin on your face. I made it. Thank Quakey, hey? You committed. You were completely committed. I could see it. You're like laser. Night and day, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. That wasn't easy.
Yeah.
Because you came in at the same speed almost as me.
Yeah.
Which is good.
Which is sometimes better.
Yeah. Too slow, it bounces
Yeah.
you. You lose that centrifugal. Okay, here's a big rock roll. You can go to the right if you want. Oh shit, I should have gone left. Oh well. Oh, this is a better one. It's easier than the last one. Ah, beautiful, beautiful.
I like to do it.
Piece of cake, right?
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah. You can attack with more front brake, a little bit
Yeah.
more.
Well, you know, you keep saying